Hello friends, good evening all of you. So today we are going to start about the unit, 8th unit from paper 1, Information and Communication Technology. Actually ICT paper normally everyone it is normally used to say it's a very easy only. Actually it's very easy only like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, and this paper actually 4 also really it will be very easy. If you focus a little bit more actually we can get 5 out of 5 every papers we can get like this only. It will be everything is a normal only, but here little bit we have to focus what the before that actually 5 years before they used to ask us the basics of computers. So like this they used to ask, but here nowadays memory part they're asking about the calculation part, one part they're asking. Apart from that they are focused full and full, it's a reason based AI tool based, and virus concept, what are the types of virus, what is audio files, video files, and like this is a different concepts. So which one is open source technology, like this it's a advanced techniques they are focusing. So this also we have to learn. So important terms also we are going to focus full and full questions. Okay, now we can move on to the first this one, syllabus. So for syllabus, every units normally I used to start from syllabus. So information and communication technology. Yes, this is information and communication technology ICT syllabus. First general abbreviation that is called, it's the basics of computers and what are the terminologies we have used like this. So what are the internets, intranet, email, audio and video conferencing, and digital initiatives in higher education, ICT and governance. Actually, apart from that, normally what we are going to learn, basic computers means actually just we can take what is the basics of computers, what is the types of computers, what is the generations of computer. Everything is covered actually in the syllabus, not only that part. So then what is the memory part, what is the units of memory, and next one is apart from that is number systems, and it's apart so many things. So in basics of computers also only it has included these are the things. And abbreviations, actually in ICT we have to know all abbreviations. For example, we have to know for HTTP means we have to understand. For example, what is a virus mean full form, we have to know. So like this abbreviations focus is very important. And network terminology is what we are using. So like this we are going to cover full and full, this is the concept. Okay, we can move on to the concept now, so just syllabus. Okay, basic things we can move fast. Okay, first one, introduction to computers. What is introduction? Just we can move fast. Which one is very basic one? So this electronic device. Actually, we have to know what is input, process, output. So input is actually raw data, and it will process the data. After that, we are getting the output that is called information. Okay. So next one, what are the characteristics of a computer? We have speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, and storage capacity. Speed we can take it's a 3 to 4 million we are saying, but trillion it's going now. And accuracy, so it's a high degree of accuracy we will get. Even errors may occurs are usually due to inaccurate data which we have given instruction. Actually everything manpower, man what we have given instruction, the machine are working. Suppose we have done any wrong instruction we have given means automatically that will do the, it will give a it's not inaccurate data. Otherwise it will give accurate data, and it will be very perfect. And it depends on human errors only. And reliability, so computers can carry out same type of works. For example, human we can do a 3 to 4 times work, so same work automatically will get tired, will get bored, or really it's not possible actually within the, but here it won't get any bored, it won't get any tired, or just it will take repeatedly without throwing up errors due to tiredness or this one. So which are very common among humans getting tired. Versatility. So computer can carry out wide range of work from data entry, ticket booking. So we can take it anything complex mathematical calculation. So like this. And storage capacity. We have huge storage nowadays. Even we have it a terabyte, not terabyte, petabyte, hexabyte is going. So what is petabyte? What is hexabyte? That I'll tell you in the next slides. That's very important. First 2 to 3 slides, 4 slides only, it will be very basics. Apart from that, really it has to, we have to know the concept actually. Okay, so this is called central processing unit. So we have input device, input unit. This is the central processing unit itself. We have arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and memory unit. So arithmetic logic unit, what? ALU, it will perform all arithmetical and logical operations. Control unit means what? It will control all other units. Memory unit is a huge part. Actually, we will get 85% we will get a memory unit one question that we are going to separate. We are going to see two slides now. And in what is input unit, we are getting the input from the input devices. So many input devices available. So it's a keyboard and mouse, it's a common one. They won't ask you what is whether keyboards is input or device or not. Maybe they can ask MICR, magnetic ink character recognition, whether this is an input device or not. Like this, they will ask the question. An output device also, we have many devices. Okay. Now we are going to enter in the memory part. So memory part already I told you, sure we will get two questions from memory. Okay. So first one, this is the main page actually. So how they will ask the question, I'll tell you. First one, computer memory, we have two types, primary memory and secondary memory. In primary memory, we have RAM and ROM. So from this part, we have to understand one thing. We have to know all of the abbreviations. RAM means what? Random access memory. ROM means read-only memory. SRA means static RAM. Dynamic RAM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. EEPROM means is erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So like this. So it has static RAM, dynamic RAM. Dynamic automatically it will change very often. Okay, SRAM means static means fixed one. Okay, here ROM means the read-only memory. So here, which one is volatile, which one is non-volatile is very important. Actually, it's the main memory is everything is volatile. This is volatile. Volatile means after the power failure or any problem happened in the system, it won't, the content will be deleted automatically. That is called volatile. So RAM, SRAM, DRAM, and apart from that, register and cache memory. After that only this RAM is main memory. We will say this is main memory. Main memory. After that we have, it's a secondary memory. These are the secondary memories. Secondary memories. So this is the order actually. It will take very fast. Fast wise, which one is memory is fast means first register, next cache, next main memory, next secondary memory. This is very important questions. Very often they will ask the questions also. Suppose for example, if they will ask the questions related, which one is storage wise high storage. So like this, if we'll see, this is the order. First, secondary storage, the backups data, it will take the huge data. After that, main memory. Next, cache memory. Register is a small register. So this is the order. So fast wise, they will, if they will ask, we have to write register, cache, main memory, and secondary memory. If they will ask in the down for example, capacity wise or storage wise, if they will ask, we have to write secondary, main memory, cache, and register. This is one of the questions, sure we will get. So after that, we will get questions from this one, secondary memory. Secondary memory, we have HDD hard, the hard disk drive, SSD solid state drive, next compact disk, floppy disk, magnetic tape. First one, first we'll see compact disk, how they will ask the question. CD-ROM actually we have 700 MB something. So after the power, this one is a huge capacity. This is called DVD, digital versatile disc. That is above here. After above this one, we have Blu-ray. So like this ascending order or chronological order, they will ask. So which one is highest one? Which one is increasing or which one is decreasing order? If they will ask increasing order means first CD, DVD, Blu-ray. This question I'll show you while taking the PYQs also. If they will ask, for example, decreasing order means it has to come Blu-ray, DVD, and CD. This is one of the questions from this part. Next one, what is HDD and SSD? This question we will get up. HDD means hard disk drive. SSD means solid state drive. Actually, solid state drive means what? Solid state drive. Actually, the recently we are buying every computers they are made with a solid state drive. It's okay, this one only, because just you can take a one hand in the laptop, old laptop in one hand, just you can take in the new laptop. Just you can see the weight itself, you can understand. So here in your old laptop they have used actually hard disk drive. It will be actually there's a way actually huge weight. It's a very high weight actually. But SSD it's just no, it's a very less weight. So they are using nowadays is a advanced concept. They are using full and full SSD. It's a very less weight and it will take it's a huge storage capacity also. So this is also one of the main questions. That questions also I'll show you that while taking PYQs on our 2 days within 2 3 videos. Okay, now next one, this is one of the 3 to 4 questions repeatedly they are asking. Okay, so next one, basic units of memory, it's very important. First one bit is 0 and 1 nibble what, it's a 4 bit. 1 byte is called 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is called 1024 bytes. So 1024 bytes how much, just you can take 2 power value, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 128, 2 power 8 what 127, so 256, 2 power 9 512, 2 power 10 what 1024. This is 2024 bytes they have written, that's all. So 1 megabyte is called 1024 kilobyte, that is called 2 power 20. This is 2 power 10, kilobyte is called 2 power 10, so totally 2 power 20. Okay, so 1 gigabyte is called 1024 megabyte. So this is 2 power 10. This is 2 power megabyte means what? 2 power 20. This is 2 power 20. So total 2 power 30. So like this we have to understand the questions answers. So for this type of questions I'll show you on the next video. We'll see the question answers. Next is small topics we'll see, and we'll see the question answers also depends on that. So that itself if we'll see the PYQs also means it will be really it will can understand easily. Okay, I hope this memory is very important. We will get sure 100% we will get one question from memory part. Okay, kindly see to that. If you have any doubts, just you can ask in the comment section. So thank you all of you. Thank you once again.